Welcome. S/4HANA Extended Warehouse Management supports repacking during goods receipt. This example will improve space utilization by moving loose cases to a repacking area to be consolidated into mixed pallets and then moved all together to their corresponding put-away bin. The views, information or opinions expressed are solely those of the individuals involved and not those of the individual's employer or any other group or individual. Let us look at some of the benefits of repacking during inbound processing. Improve space utilization by consolidating loose goods into mixed pallets. Improve put-away by repacking into storage crates. Improve the outbound process by repacking for distribution during put-away. Before we run our demo, let's have a look at a packaging specification. The packaging specification defines all the necessary packing levels for a product, such as putting away or transporting the product. For a product, a packaging specification mainly describes in which quantities you can pack the product and which packaging materials are allowed. Let's first look at the product level. Quantity is normally set to 1 on this level. Then, we have a case level. We can see that quantity is now 6. Product is also packed into a packaging material, pack 414. At the pallet level, the quantity is set to 12. 6 times 12 represents a total of 72 single units. We will now run our demo, step by step. We have already looked at a packaging specification. In quick order, we will create a purchase order, then create subsequent inbound delivery. We will do the goods receipt. We will use the warehouse monitor to keep an eye on the overall process, and put away the full pallets using the handheld RF device. Loose cases will be repacked, and moved to their put-away bin. In the end, we will show that repacking also can be done with the handheld device. First, we will create a purchase order. We will order 78 cases of flour, 78 cases of sugar and a similar quantity of butter. According to the pack spec we just looked at, this should equal 1 pallet and 1 case of each product. We took note of the PO number and uses it to create a subsequent inbound delivery. We can take a quick look at the line items before we save the inbound delivery. We use the Change Inbound Delivery app to do a goods receipt. We make a note of inbound delivery number 23295 as we will use it several times later. After the receipt of the goods, we press the Handling Units button in the upper right corner. We can see that 6 handling units have been created. 3 pallets and 3 cases. The HU number in the leftmost column contains their HU numbers we will see again shortly. Before we start moving the goods, we visit the warehouse monitor. We enter inbound delivery number 23295. We can see that 6 warehouse tasks have been generated. We can also see that 3 of them, the pallets, will be moved directly to pallet put-away bins. The 3 loose cases will be moved to the inbound repacking area. With a handheld RF device, we scan the pallet label, the HU identifier, for each of the 3 full pallets. One by one, we move them to their final put-away bin location. It is now time to move to the inbound repacking area. We will use the Pack Warehouse Stock app. We scan the first loose case. Since we have not yet created a packing handling unit, the system prompts us to create one easily. We mark the goods in the first case and pack them into the newly created put-away pallet. We repeat the process for the 2 remaining cases, consolidating them into 1 pallet. In the end, we close our put-away handling unit. After repacking, we use the handheld RF device and perform normal put-away into the final destination bin, using the newly created pallet's HU identifier. We confirm each product individually. If we revisit the warehouse monitor, it gives us a complete overview of the recently completed warehouse moves for our inbound deliveries, the inbound movements, and the put-away activities. If we look at the inbound deliveries header level, we see that goods receipt, put away status, and warehouse activity status are set to complete. Experienced users may prefer to do the repacking on the handheld device instead of using the Pack Warehouse stock app. We will show you how. On the RF menu, we have a selection for inbound repack and manual repack of HU. When scanning the first loose case, we need to confirm the product ID and quantity. Since no destination HU has been created, we use the F4 Create HU button. Indicate packing material and destination bin. We pack the additional 2 cases into the same handling unit by repeating the process of scanning the case, confirming the product ID and quantity. When completed, we press the back button. Mission accomplished. The functionality shown in this video is available in S/4HANA Extended Warehouse Management, embedded and decentralized. It is also available in classic SAP Extended Warehouse Management 9.x. With a different user experience. Let us recap some of the benefits of inbound repacking. Improve space utilization by consolidating loose goods into mixed pallets. Improve put away by repacking into storage crates. Improve the outbound process by repacking for distribution during put away. Thanks a lot for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe. More videos like this coming shortly. See you then.